Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to add comments to your Telegram channel. So let's get started. First of all, what you can simply do, tap on the name of your Telegram channel like this, and this will brings up here. Alright, then you need to tap on the pencil icon on the top side. So you need to tap on the pencil icon, and from here you will see the discussion button. Alright, so tap on the discussion button, and then again you need to tap on the create a new group. Alright, so tap on the new group, and now you need to select any of the names. Alright, so let's just make sure to give it a name like trial. Then tap on the tick button, and there you go. So if you just again go to the tick mark and then go back, and if you just post any of the things, like let's just comment check, let's just post it real quick, and as you can see we got a leave a comment option into our Telegram channel. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works for you or not, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.